President, CN88 alumni to accompany the Chief Guest of the function, Sri Hemachandran IPS, ADGP, to the dais. Requesting Sri Gopi Krishnan, Secretary, CN88 alumni to accompany our guest of honor, Dr. M.R. Thamban, to the dais. Requesting Sri Shivanji Nair, Joint Secretary, CN88 alumni to accompany Reverend Father Surya Kanal, Principal, Christ River School, to the dais. Secretary, CN88 alumni to deliver the welcome address.
Respected Chief Guest, Sri Hemachandran IPS, Guest of Honor, Dr. M.R. Thamban, Reverend Father Surya Kanal, Principal, Christ Nagar High School, Sri J. Krishnan, President, CN88 Silver Jubilee Organizing Committee, Gopi Krishnan, Secretary, CN88 Organizing Committee, respected teachers and their families, my dear friends and their families, as well as guests who are assembled here. As I stand here, my memories goes back 31 years, exactly to the June of 1982, when I walked in here as a 9-year-old, holding the hands of my mother. Today, at the age of 40, when I walked in, holding the hands of my son, the positive vibrations and energy that I received from this institution, still I get it even now. I'm sure most of you will be able to emphasize that. And when I look at the last 40 years of my life, I can see, and when I analyze myself, I can see that the stamp of this school is there in my personality, in the positives as well as in the negatives. The lessons learned, the classes where it was taught, the teachers who taught those lessons, and the friends with whom I shared the learning, they have formed an integral part of my memory. Precisely the reason when we give a call to regroup after 25 years, many of you have traveled from wide and far in the different parts of the globe to just come over here and celebrate along with our teachers and our families the regrouping, which we have named as Guru Vandanam, or rather the Silver Jubilee celebrations of class 1980. Without much ado, let me just get into the job that I have been entrusted with. It is my privilege as Joint Secretary to welcome you all to this August function. First and foremost, it's in our honor we have here with us ADGP South Zone, Hemachandran IPS, an upright and straightforward police officer who has a very clean and proven track record in his career, and he is certainly the best choice we can get into inaugurating this function. On behalf of all of you, and as well as on behalf of National English School, sir, I welcome you to this function. Our guest of honor, Dr. M.R. Thamban, is the director of Kerala Institute for Languages. A noted academician and a literary person, Dr. Thamban has made very valuable contributions to the study of languages and the world of letters. On behalf of the organizing committee, as well as on behalf of all of you, sir, I invite you to this function. Principals are principal architects of the school, and thereby a very important factor behind the nation building process. CMI as an organization has produced a lot of administrators and teachers in the field of education in Kerala. I remember that we had a very great principal in the form of Father Gerard Devdasheri, whose memories we still remember. Reverend Father Surya Kanal follows the same lineage of his predecessor as principal of Christ River School. The organizers are deeply indebted to him for his permission to conduct their venue in the school premises, despite being a holiday, and also the wholehearted support in logistics, which has ensured the smooth conduct of this function. This could not have happened without your help, and in fact, on behalf of all of you, as well as Senior 88 Organizing Committee, I invite Reverend Father Surya Kanai to this function. Thank you, sir, for placing this occasion despite of your heavy responsibilities to school administration as well as your theological responsibilities. Thank you, sir. Friends, does not need any encouragement, but there are two people who have been the heart and soul behind this program. On behalf of all of you, I would like to welcome Advocate Pachalur Jaykrishnan, the President of Sierra 88 Silver Jubilee Organizing Committee, who has been the backbone for this program. His vision for the program has been ably supported in terms of execution by his partner in arms, Advocate Gopi Krishnan. On behalf of CNN 88 Organizing Committee and also on all your behalf, I invite and welcome Gopi. The hallmark of this function today is Guru Vandanam, the program where all teachers who taught us in the last 6 years of schooling are being honored. Though located in different locations in Trivandrum and Nagarkori, on our contact to them, they responded with equal warmth to our love and respect to come here all the way, and some of them with the family, by making up you all, as well as your family and kids, to this function, and your presence really made us feel that you are calling our love and respect for you. Finally, this program would not have been a success without the wholehearted support from all of you and your participation. Welcome all of you and your family members with kids to this August function. And word of remembrance, I also remember our NRI friends who, though could not make it to the event, ensured their presence by contributing generously for the fund generation or fundraising efforts of this program. We will remember you in your absence and promise you that all memorabilia connected with this function shall be delivered to your home, and that's our personal assurance. And this, I extend a warm welcome to some of the guests, other alumni groups who have come over to see how the function is being conducted. I welcome you all on behalf of the organizing committee and all of us. And once again, good afternoon to you as well as a warm welcome. Thank you for coming.
Now let me invite our chief guest, Shri Hemachandran IPS, ADGP, to inaugurate this function by lighting the lamp.